They say don't judge a book by its cover. But would you read this? That first impression will create a lasting impression. And that's what we do at Zenpack. We create premium packages that have lasting impact.
Beyond just designing beautiful boxes, Zenpack is a full-service packaging company. We look at the entire life cycle of the packaging process. We start by asking the question, who is for, where it's going to, how it's going to be used. The purpose of the product guides throughout the process, from design to manufacturing to distribution. Our job continues even after the packaging is delivered.
Designing is all about empathy, thinking about our client's customer, the type of unboxing experience do I want to experience. Maybe smoke emerges, fireworks pop out, and disco music start playing. Or maybe it needs to be discreet, premium, clean, quick, and easy. It all depends on what kind of story we'd like to tell.
To create that experience, we meticulously design the details to turn our ideas into realities. Everything from the shape of the corners, textures of the materials, and angles of the fold. And through rapid prototyping, we reiterate and refine our designs. These details may seem insignificant, but they combine to create the unboxing experience.
As designers and manufacturers, we oversee every steps of a packaging process. Sustainable material, paper pulp, FSC paper, specialized textures, these are all achievable with our custom packaging solution. And then come to distribution. We have offices and facilities all over the globe. We will make sure the package gets where it needs to be, efficiently and safely.
So now, the package is finally where it's supposed to be. But what happens when the story has concluded? Regardless of how special the packaging is, it's often a single-use container.
That's something we're well aware of. We've been working on this challenge from the very beginning of Zenpack. We are experts in eco-friendly materials and regulatory policies, and sustainability is at the core of every one of our packaging designs.
This is the story of Zenpack. A good story never simply ends when you finish the last page. Its impression is everlasting.